Now, welcome my dear students in the e-learning class and in the maths class of class 10. Today we are going to take exercise 13.3 of NCERT. This topic is related to surface area and volume. Now, the question that we are going to discuss and try to solve in 13.3, mostly they are related to volume. And there is a trick to solve this type of questions. Usually you find that there is an interrelationship between the specifically between the volume of two geometrical figure. Means you have given the relation between a sphere or a cone or a cylinder or a sphere. Then no need to solve the question step by step. Generate the equation, equalize the equation, and then do the simplification. You will find that sometimes that pi on the both sides will be cancelled and your calculation become very easy. For example, you have given a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into a shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. And as I have mentioned you, here you have given a sphere. And this sphere is melted into the form of a cylinder. It is melted into the form of a cylinder. So the total material of the sphere has been utilized in recasting into the form of a cylinder. So what is the interrelationship between the sphere and the cylinder? Their volumes are equal. And as I have mentioned, in this type of question, please do not solve the question step by step. Try to generate equations. And when you generate the equation, you will find that both sides certain common term will be cancelled and your equation become very easy. So after that we are going to find the measurement. You are given the radius of the sphere is equal to 4.2 centimeter, whereas the radius of the cylinder is given 6 centimeter, and you have to find the height. So what will I say? According to question, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of sphere is equal to 4.3 pi r cube. We will represent this one by capital R. Okay? Because C is also radius, C is also.
Last teacher of 9 B and 10 C, please come to the office.
Pi and pi cancel. R is equal to, we have 4.2 into 4.2 into h is equal to 4.3 into r is equal to, here given 6. 6 into 6 into 6. 3 to the 6.
So extend you can say radius.
Wait. A metallic sphere of a cylinder of radius 4.2 centimeter. Here it should be 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2, and this one is equal to 6 into 6. So 14 3 is 4.2. So h is equal to 4 into 1.4 into 4.2 into 4.2 upon 6 into 6 centimeter. Will you calculate? Now, if I solve this value separately, then it will come into a certain number, and that will make our calculation a bit difficult. It will take twice of the time as we have calculated. Now, see the question number 2. You are given a metallic sphere of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere 6, 8, and 10. Now see question number 2. we have given a sphere of 6, 8 and 10. Radius is 6, radius is 8 and radius is 10. These spheres are melted here and converted into a big sphere. Then you have to find this unknown radius. Suppose this one is equal to R1, this one is equal to R2, this one is equal to R3. So directly what can you write here? According to question, that volume of, yes, directly write the formula. 4 upon 3 pi R1 cubed plus R2 cubed plus R3 cubed is equal to 4 upon 3 pi capital R cubed. Why? Because all the materials of these three smaller spheres are being casted and converted into a bigger sphere. So 4 upon 3 pi and 4 upon 3 pi cancel. That much of difficulty automatically has been removed when we generate the equation. Now simply you have to put the value here. Now 6 cubed plus 8 cubed plus 10 cubed is equal to R cubed. Now you are in a condition to solve these questions. अब कर लोगे बच्चों? Now question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with a diameter 7 meters is dug and earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of 22 meters by 14 meters. Find the height of the platform. Now see, I am going to convert this question in the pictorial form. ध्यान से देखो बच्चों बोर्ड पर. Here a well is dug. एक कुआं खोदा गया. And the मिट्टी that is taken out from this कुआं जो निकाला गया एक जमीन का टुकड़ा था. It is a piece of land of which we have given the length and breadth. इसका क्या दिया है बच्चों को? Length and breadth is given. (20 meter deep), 20 meter deep, and 7 meter in diameter. This earth is evenly spread on the piece of this land, which is 22 meter by 14 meter. 22 meter by 14 meter. तो इसका हाइट कितना बढ़ गया है? You have to find this height. Then that मिट्टी that is taken out from the कुआं, जो कुआं से मिट्टी निकाला गया वो कहाँ डाला गया बच्चों? उस जमीन के टुकड़े पर डाला गया. तो जमीन का टुकड़ा का लंबाई या चौड़ाई तो नहीं बढ़ा, क्या उसका बढ़ गया? ऊंचाई बढ़ गया. तो जो वो कुएं से जो मिट्टी निकाली गई थी उसका टोटल वॉल्यूम कहाँ यूटिलाइज हुआ? उस जमीन के टुकड़े को भरने में. Which means the volume of the earth, the mitti, which is in the form of cylinder, taken out is equal to the volume of that mitti which was spread on that piece of land. So what is it here? According to question, volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cylinder. H into B into H is equal to pi r square H. Okay. N is given here 22, B is given 14, and H we need to calculate. That is 22 upon 7. R is given 7 upon 2 because diameter is 7. So that is equal to 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2, and here H is given 20 meters. We have to calculate this H. 22 by 22, remove 7 and 7, cancel 2, 10 ja 7, 8. h is equal to 2 5 10. Then that equals 7 5 35 upon 40 meters. According to centimeter, and you get the answer. Okay. Now, till now, have you any difficulties with these questions, 3 questions? So please note it down. After that, we will discuss further set of questions. Okay. God bless you.